If equipped, our automatic temperature control system can maintain a preset cabin temperature. Just push the auto button and then select your desired temperature setting using the temperature control buttons. The system automatically adjusts the air temperature, the airflow volume, and the airflow direction. This maintains a comfortable temperature even under changing conditions. You will experience the greatest efficiency by simply allowing the system to function automatically. Of course, you can always operate the system manually by adjusting the individual controls to your desired positions. If you're operating the system manually, you can turn the air conditioning on or off by simply pushing the air conditioning button and adjusting the temperature controls. In the climate control unit, you'll also find the controls to turn the front windshield defrost feature on or off. Turn the air recycling feature on to keep undesirable odors or excessive traffic exhaust from entering your vehicle. It's also a great feature to use to optimize cooling when you first turn on the air conditioning. Keep in mind though, you cannot use the defrost mode while in the air recirculation mode. To activate the rear defrost, push the button located just above the climate controls. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.